Fed just done a U-turn in front of us.
What?
Oh boy! Oh no! Hi guys, welcome back guys. It's your boy Mr. V10. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Little birdie told me that DMO DeeJay is holding a little secret meet in Mexico. Obviously we are on the way to Mexico somewhere in England. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go over there, check it out, see what's going on, see what DMO DeeJay is all about. And you never know, I might even possibly collab with him in the future. Take care. Oh, by the way guys, I'm in a beautiful gold Yanamized wrapped BMW M4 competition, stage 1. Rims more expensive than your house mortgage, wing and everything, man. This car is wicked. I'll show you guys a little bit around. Obviously you guys know yeah, you got a bit of carbon bits. Watch my first video, you guys know what I'm talking about. But here we go. It sounds pretty nice, got custom exhaust. But yeah, right, here we go. Some cars over there. New M3, if you don't know gas and see that. Yep, new M3. G. Couple of Germans here. Good old Honda. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, thanks. Nice car, man. Oh, we've got a recovery here just in case. As you can see guys, this car's catching a lot of attention for good reasons. I'll show you guys in a bit. Well, I probably have already. Check that out. Look at that Alpha. Damn. That Alpha is stunning. Oh wow, 71 plate as well.
Oh, look at this monster.
Right. So far it's quite civil. Loads of Fiestas. I think it's a Halfords meet as well. Nah, I'm joking guys. Each to their own.
Nowhere to park.
Literally nowhere to park guys. This was meant to be a bit of a secret, but someone started telling tales. That Convoy car guys. That is our Convoy car. Right guys, DMO DeeJay just literally showed up and he left. So the idea is we're supposed to follow him. So we're gonna have some pretty cool cars following us as well, hopefully. There is a Seat and a nice looking Scooby, an FK2 that I've reviewed before. There he is. So yeah guys, keep an eye out. Let's see what the night beholds.
Fed just done a U-turn in front of us.
What?
Oh boy!
Someone's getting started.
Someone's getting. Should we go and watch?
Wait.
Everyone's made it, guys. Nice little blast. Oh no! Oh no! And look who showed up to ruin the party. Yep, exactly. I've had enough. Got work in the morning. Hey! Hiya! PC who? Sending it, Jamie, go on.